Hello.
Hello.
It's us, RollerBaz.
And CoasterDad.
And we have just got off a plane back from Germany. Have you seen our last few vlogs? Go back and watch them. What are they about?
Phantasialand.
You're wearing a Fly t-shirt.
Fly t-shirt.
And we've flown from Phantasialand, but we've flown straight out of the house after dropping our stuff off because... Oh, Phantasialand merch.
Yeah.
We've done it because our local Funfair has been in town all week. The Meadows Fair here in Edinburgh is in town and we've almost missed it. It's the last night. And that's why we didn't rush this vlog out like we normally would with a Funfair vlog.
Yep.
But we really want you to see Taylors of Edinburgh's Funfair that they bring to the Meadows.
Yeah, and I think I'm ready to go on the washing machine in Miami.
Oh, it's a Miami debut for Baz. Okay, let's see if you do that. But we'll have a walk around the fair and we'll choose a few rides to go on. And you never know, they might let us do some POVs. See you in a bit.
See you in a bit.
Well, thanks to COVID, it has been a long time since we've seen this much action here at the Meadows Fair in the middle of Edinburgh. Over there, Arthur's Seat, the famous lump. What's that? I don't know. We're going to have to go and find out.
What the heck is that?
It's paper ride tonight. They do normally do a wristband day, which I believe was Thursday this time round. Oh, let's get in there. Right, we're around the back of a Taylor's Miami. And over here... Now, what might this be? I do not know this ride vehicle.
Thank you for riding with us. Please exit to the left.
I think I've got this booster cred already at Kirkcaldy Links Market.
Here we go.
Got a fun house. Got a paratrooper. Oh, it is all going on compared to the last few years. Good old swing ride, kiddie balloon ride and Ferris wheel over there. This is massive compared to the last few years. Massive, massive. It's really good to see Taylor's getting it all out. Oh, they got the dodgems down. Look at that.
Oh, wow. There's so much.
Techno power, aka spin jam. Not the literal one. We have the dragon coaster. Just behind the Mr. Whippy van.
Going on that when I was a little kid.
Yeah, you've been on that coaster before. You've got that cred. You don't need it today.
I don't need it.
Yeah, it's just a nice little powered coaster, isn't it, Baz?
Yeah.
It's a good little power coaster. We've been on this when you were a little kid.
Oh yeah, there's a little plug that pulls it along.
Yeah, it's powered from that little dragon's head in the middle. Fun little ride. They're giving it some on that waltzer. A little teacups. Man, it is everything today. They've got the works.
I've decided I'm 100% going on Miami.
Okay.
100%, no regrets.
Let's go over there then. What is going on here?
What's that?
I've not seen one of these before. How spinny is this gonna get? It looks like it's gonna get pretty crazy. Off Baz goes, his first Miami.
He's about to begin. This is only the beginning.
I can't believe he's never done one of these, it's silly. He's been to Phantasialand, he's been everywhere, but he hasn't been on a Miami.
Doing it, my first Miami. Here we go. We're doing it. Oh, oh, we're going on it.
The safety lines are now closing. Ladies and gentlemen, the show is about.
Woo! Hey up! Wow! Hey! Hey!
distribution on the Miami, so it stopped and it was off again.
What is this? This is so fun! Oh! Oh wait, yeah. It's tricking us. Which way are we gonna go? Wait! Whoa! Hey! Whoa! We're going the other way. Oh, it's flinging me out of my chair. Oh, getting some air time. It's a really good cycle here. Whoa! Woo! We might have a go on Midnight Express over there.
That's better. That's a proper spin.
Way! Woohoo! Yay! Yeah!
Did you enjoy the Miami, Baz?
That was so good!
Why have you always refused to go on them?
I don't know, I'm so dumb! I am out of my mind, dumb!
Well, let's find something else to ride. So I think this paratrooper looks fun, doesn't it? Well, it's sort of a paratrooper, right?
Yeah!
Come on.
Woohoo! Oh, here we go! Bye, CoasterDad and CoasterMum! Oh, this is gonna be... I got a feeling this is gonna be a good ride. Whoa. Hey up. What's happening here? Oh, we're going quite fast. Might want to hold on. Whoa. Oh, we're going up.
He's lifting up.
Whoa! This is quite forceful actually, whoa! I'll show you the roller coaster, that's it, down there. You can't really see it because it's so high up. Whoa, there's the beast there, you get a very good view of it now. Oh, hey! Woo! Hey, whoa, 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 whoa. This is starting to get quite high now. We're getting quite high now. The Miami was actually really good. I don't know why. I don't know why I was refusing to go on it because it's just so good. I'm actually having a talk with a POV camera right now while we're on a ride. I'm having some thrills. Oh, laying down. Oh, that was a really good ride. I've got
Did you have a good time on that?
Yes!
Good man. Oh, look at that booster. I do have that booster credit already, and you're not keen, right? Okay.
So we're going on the Midnight Express! Woohoo!
Midnight Express, okay.
So here we go. We are ready. Please keep all arms and legs inside the ride at all times. Yeah, I think we will on this. Oh, this looks a little bit intense. Oh, I think we're going. Woo! I'll show you roller CoasterMum and CoasterDad. There they are, CoasterMum. Let's hope it gets a little bit fiery and intense. Because that's what we like. Not many people on the ride. Think it's just me and a guy in a different car. Here's the Midnight Express.
Here we go, girls and boys, hold tight, here we go.
Oh gosh, way.
let's shake it, let's go crazy!
Yeah! Let's go! Way! Let's rock it, let's shake it! Whoa! Oh, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it.
Keep your arms and push safety bars up and exit by the exit side and leave.
So, just look the ball.
Now for the next ride.
Come on, get ready, just about ready to go. Come on, is there anybody else out there? Let's go.
Well, he's been on the ride. How was Midnight Express?
Amazing! That's great.
I was worried that you were slightly going to pass out there.
I was not.
We weren't sure how you were.
I was the only one screaming.
Oh, good for you. Well, Techno Power. What do you think about this?
No,
Do I need to POV it for you?
no, I kind of want to.
I think I might need to go on Techno Power, Baz. Okay? And then we'll head to something else afterwards.
Okay.
I think I'm going to regret this. This is not my kind of ride.
Well, check it out. It's such amazing.
Here we go on Techno Power. Basically the same ride as Spin Jam at Alton Towers. I'm going to make some creaky noises while I get the camera in position. And then I'm going to say that all again. So here we go on Techno Power here at the Meadows Fair. Baz is here with me. Are we going to regret this? I think I might. You never know. It's starting to pick up. Here we go. Here we go. Right. Okay. It's all good. It's all good. I'm surviving it so far. Oh, it's quite gentle, really. It's not too bad. What do you think, Baz? He says he's loving it. Oh, I thought this was going to be a bit much. It's all right. Wow. Oh, I think we're going to get a speed up on it. We're getting a boost. I love this ride. Here's some smoke effects. We have not had rides like this at the Meadows Fair for years. This is an amazing thing to have. Oh, hello, you changed to the cycle. We'll wave to Coaster Mum when we go by.
We want to go faster.
Yeah, yeah! We want to go faster! Ouch! It's a little bit jolty when we change. This is a great ride. I'm loving this. And I think we're coming to the end of Techno Power. I love that. Did you love that, Baz?
Thank you for riding.
Great ride, really great ride. I assumed that would be a bit of a nightmare, but from a spinny point of view, it's fine. It's a high quality ride.
That was amazing.
I like that. That's a genuinely good ride. Lots of fun. No messing. Don't feel terrible getting off it. It's really good.
I faced a lot of fears today.
Yeah, if you're at a Taylor's Funfair where they've got the Techno, I just keep wanting to call it the same name as the Alton Towers one. Techno Power's there. Yeah, on Techno Power. Good. Right, we've had a great time at our local fun fair, the one on the Meadows that we can just walk to. Did you enjoy it, Baz?
Yeah.
What was your best ride?
Miami.
Yeah, you love that Miami. You went on it twice, had a little extra ride at the end. Now it's going to be a week for you, it's going to be a little while for us, but look out for some more videos coming up.
Yeah.
We don't know what the next one will be, but I'm sure it'll be a good one. What you could do though is,
Like and subscribe.
we do need those subs, they help the channel a lot. So do that, and we'll see you back here next time on
RollerBaz and
CoasterDad. Thanks for watching. We love you. We don't say we don't love you anymore. Oh, you don't know the love thing? Okay, we'll leave that. Bye.